finally arrived in Galatina. We took the train from Lecce, which was about 20
kilometers away.
Yeah, south of.
To change by train, but we made it.
We made it, and we're here to explore the city, but most importantly, to try Pasticciotto. Galatina is the home where the Salentino treats were born, and we're so excited to try them here. So here we are trying the famous Pasticciotto, the original birthplace of it. Wow. Wow. So we just had the best Pasticciotto ever. Wow. Right here. There's a reason that it's the place where the Pasticciotto was born. Delicate, light, crunchy, not sweet, and absolutely delicious.
It's refined.
Very refined.
Yes.
Yeah, I would agree. It's definitely Galatina, where the Pasticciotto was born, is definitely a trip worth making.